Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Liz St. Louis, and I'll be your instructor for Structure and Function this fall quarter term 2. I wanted to just share a little bit about myself so you guys have a chance to get to know me a bit before we start to work together over the next 5.5 weeks. I've been with Rasmussen since 2017. I've taught Structure and Function many times. I love this class. I love that many of you are new to Rasmussen and I get to help get you started on the right foot. And I also love the course content. If you don't already know, the human body is amazing and I can't wait to share it with you. I am a chiropractor by education. I practiced chiropractic for 14 years before closing my practice to focus on teaching. And I live in Minnesota with my husband and 3 kids who keep me busy running from activity to activity. When I have free time, I really enjoy reading and traveling and running. Those are kind of my 3 favorite hobbies. So share a bit about yourself. I'd love to learn a bit about you. What is your name? What are you studying? Who inspires you to pursue education? And something you're excited about this class. So I can't wait to read your intro posts and to get a chance to work with you. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Otherwise, we'll see you soon.